running from me westbound.
Atención, se recomienda la discreción del espectador dado la intensidad de algunos eventos a continuación. Él es el sargento David Moreno y esto es Operación Policía.
Hola, soy el sargento David Moreno y el día de hoy les tenemos un programa bastante emocionante donde ustedes patrullarán con nosotros. Y ahora vámonos al condado de Marion, en el estado de Florida, donde un policía localiza un auto robado e intenta una detención. El sujeto se da la fuga y luego sale corriendo del auto que se robó. El oficial pide refuerzos del helicóptero y de la unidad canina. Vamos a ver este intenso caso, veamos.
In the vehicle. Currently, 10-4. Northbound 50th Terrace, east on 18th Lane. This is a dead-end neighborhood. West 21st Lane. Back northbound 52nd Court. Looks like they're stopping. I got black male, black and blue hoodie, westbound, on foot.
Westbound on foot, station 133. Outside of Maplewood, westbound.
The Maplewood Elementary, and he's jumping the fence and he's headed back northbound.
Alright, we got him. 5386. Just be mindful, he's in the playground there. Running back towards the woods line to the east. Y'all line up 50th Terrace.
He's at 827 on 28th Street. 81 is 28th Street, can you guide me to him? Going back towards 50th Terrace.
Back towards 50th here.
Alright, so tall, thin black male, black shirt, has a sweater around his waist, blue jeans, and a small beard, black beard. Give me somebody over here off of... Over here off of 17th Street, 17th Street. Alright, unit on 17th Street, keep coming. He'll be like the third. Yeah, keep coming to the, you'll see the house to the left. You'll be paralleling him. He's now moving westbound through the field.
It looks like it's been finished.
The man county sheriff's office helicopter. You need to stop where you're at. We can see you. The K9's on the way. You're going to get back there.
7th Avenue right now. Everyone, I'm in that open field.
Directly out my right door. Alright, units, keep on coming. It's coming down that driveway. Keep on coming.
Alright, he's
until it ends. Alright, we got him laid down in the bushes. Keep on coming. Alright, now he is now running back to the left, so if I've got a couple units on 17th Street, post there in front of that one house before you get to the end. Just jump the fence, he's going in behind this house that y'all stays in front of, running eastbound.
See him in front of this house, he's running back west now.
Alright, we've got him. Alright, he's coming to you, he's running. Lima 2571 past you, he's going to jump that fence on the left side of the house, and he'll be right in front of you here in just a second. Be ready.
Alright, he's coming out.
Right in front of you, LT. Alright, he's crossed over 50th Terrace. LT, the kilo's right behind you too. Shouldn't be far behind you. Kilo, if you can get across 50th Terrace. He's out on the road.
4 12 326 at the railroad track.
Units on perimeter, line up 51st Avenue and 50th Terrace around the 21.
Talking to me! Talking to me! You know your stomach now.
Lane like a truck going back.
I can't roll this way. Let it go, let it go, let it go! Oh, you got me! You got me! You got me! You know your stomach. On your stomach. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Put your hands out. Put your hands out. On your back. Put your hands behind your back. Behind your back. Behind your back. Behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. 10-15 dog bite.
Al final, el sujeto no pudo evadir al helicóptero. Es imposible escaparte del helicóptero en las alturas. El piloto le daba órdenes por la bocina del helicóptero de que se rindiera, pero el sujeto seguía corriendo por las yardas de las residencias. El canino Duder logró someter al sujeto y pudieron arrestarlo. El sujeto se negó a identificarse con la policía y tuvieron que utilizar un aparato computarizado de huellas para identificarlo. El sujeto fue llevado a la cárcel y enfrentará cargos por evadir a la justicia, manejar con una licencia suspendida, resistir su arresto y estar en posesión de un auto robado. Gran trabajo de todos los policías, el canino y el piloto en capturar a este delincuente. El dueño recuperó su auto.
Oficial David Moreno en el estado de Utah. Tiene puesto de sargento y navega en la patrulla. Él le tiene a los que van a exceso de velocidad y los que le echan mentiras es a los que les va mal.